Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today we are embarking on a journey through the stunning Tongariro National Park. Get ready to be amazed because this place is a true wonder of nature. Our destination for today is the breathtaking Soda Springs, located in the heart of this incredible park. This 9.5-kilometer out and back trail near Ohango is generally considered moderately challenging and takes about 2 hours and 41 minutes on average to complete. But let me tell you, every step is worth it. Tongariro National Park is a place of incredible natural beauty, and it's also rich in history. Did you know that it's New Zealand's oldest national park? It was established back in 1887, making it a true pioneer in the world of national parks. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you'll see why as we explore further. Now, as we make our way towards Soda Springs, we realize that this area is incredibly popular among hikers and walkers. It's no surprise given the pristine landscapes and the sense of adventure that awaits at every turn. But please note, if you're planning to bring your furry friends along, you'll need to leave them at home because dogs aren't allowed on this trail. One of the fascinating things about Tongariro National Park is its unique volcanic landscapes. It's home to not one, not two, but 3 active volcanoes. Yes, 3 active volcanoes. Tongariro, Naruhoe, and Ruapehu. And yes, you may recognize Mount Naruhoe as Mount Doom from the Lord of the Rings trilogy. It's a cinematic location filled with real-world wonder. Right. As we continue our hike, keep an eye out for the unique flora and fauna that call this place home. The park is a sanctuary for a variety of native New Zealand wildlife, including the famous Kaale, the world's only alpine parrot. And now, I have to apologize to all of you. Due to some technical issues, I have lost a few video clips of our final approach to Soda Springs. But not to worry, I have included some photos at the end of this video to give you a glimpse of the beauty that awaits at Soda Springs. So let's keep walking, exploring, and savoring the natural wonders of Tongariro National Park together. If you are as captivated by this place as I am, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with your fellow adventurers and subscribe for more exciting journeys. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more adventures right here in the heart of New Zealand's incredible landscape. Ciao.